my name is Chard and I use Collision Drumsticks. I've been playing the drum for just over 20 years and I've been in a variety of bands, from cover bands, punk bands, pop punk bands and even some hardcore. My current band to this day is known as Start the Sirens. Start the Sirens are a 5-piece alternative punk band from Wiltshire. I see myself as a versatile drummer, so I like to bounce between 5As and 5Bs. So I've gone with the Collision 5As. The 3 things I like about Collision so far are the engagement. They always love to chat with you and they want to talk about your goals within Collision. They want to help grow the drumming community in general and push it further than it's ever been. The second thing is, I'll go towards the stick. They use a good grade of hickory, a very good, strong, durable grade. I like to think of it. Because when I used it in my previous show, I play some fast songs and heavy songs, and I am very surprised it lasts so well compared to other sticks I've used in the past. The third thing is the weight of the stick. Yes, it's standard 5A, it's light, but again, it does its job. And that's what every drummer needs, is a decent pair of sticks to do its job. The video you're about to watch is from my last gig on the 26th of September 2024. The song is called Tell Me and it's from Start the Sirens, and personally it's one of my favourite tracks to play live. So I hope you enjoy it and keep on drumming.
Yeah.